Hi everyone, my name is Ronak Patel, sports medicine, knee and shoulder specialist from the Hinsdale Orthopedics Division of IBJI. I hope everyone is staying in and healthy. All of us enjoy different ways to stay active and fit normally. In extraordinary times like this, some of our usual avenues of physical activity are taken away. And while we all look forward to returning to some level of normalcy, it's important to remember going from 0 to 180 in the future may lead to injury. That's why it's important to do a few things right now to help keep you ready for when you can get back to activity. Number one, take some oral vitamin D3 supplements, about 1,000 IUs or international units daily. Supplement that with calcium 1,000 milligrams daily, so about 1,000 of each. This will help keep our bones strong while we may be getting less sunlight than usual and keeping our bones healthy. Incorporate some daily exercises and stretches. It's important to keep your core strong and your hamstrings and calves stretched out. Keeping these muscle groups conditioned will help prevent severe injury when sports and activities resume. A simple exercise, and one that might be possible, is a stationary bike or bike ride outside. This will help keep the muscles stretched out and keep a good low impact level of conditioning. Additionally, my website, drronakpatel.com, DRRONAKPATEL.com, has some nice videos on stretches you can do at home. Yoga is a great way to incorporate all of that together, and you can go on YouTube and find some free videos for all different levels of competition and athleticism. Lastly, make sure to stay in communication with friends and family. Mental well-being is perhaps the biggest challenge right now, and having avenues to vent frustrations, concerns, and fears is important. Stay strong and we'll get through this together. Until then, if you need any assistance or questions, you can contact us through my website. Again, that's drronakpatel.com, DRRONAKPATEL. Take care. We'll see you soon.